Welcome to this second video, the second part of our Windows Server Active Directory configuration. And in this video, we are going to create a file, a shared file for our finance group, which we created in the previous video. And I noticed that the voice in the previous video was very unstable. So sorry for that. I suck at editing, but I'm getting better with time. Anyways, this PC, local disk, right click, and we are going to create a folder. Name it anything, but I'm going to name it finance because let's say we are creating a finance department. Inside the finance folder, I'm going to create several folders just, to make it more formal. So let's have investment. Let's create another folder and name it something like salary. Okay. So we got investment, salary. Let's create two more. Let it be named tax. Okay. And yeah, just one more. Let it be named deduction. Okay, deduction, whatever. So we have a finance folder, and then inside we have several other folders. So I'm going to right click on finance, properties, sharing, and I'm going to select that option, advanced sharing, and I'm going to enable the button, the check mark, share this folder. And I'm going to here we have to actually select the permissions button, and I have to add full control to everyone. Yeah, we are not going to give it full control to everyone, so we are going to add the finance group. Check names, you see the underline, it means we found the finance group. And we are going to provide change and read positions to finance group. So usually in professional environments, we don't have permissions allocated to everyone. So let's just remove it. Remove. Now we have controlled the access to finance group. We know that the finance group can only be accessed by us, the administrators, or the finance group or the finance department. Okay, close. And now we have to go inside the security tab. So once again, right click, properties, and security. You can see on the top in the separator security. So here are some, you can say administrators have the permissions, the system has it, and the users have it. So we are going to add the finance group once again. We can add users as well here individually, but in professional environments, we always use groups. It keeps us separated and more organized. You can see the permissions. We are okay with them. We don't have to change anything here. Just apply and okay. Okay. So we granted the permissions and everything. And now I'm going to open the Windows client. I created a virtual machine of Windows client, and I attributed that internal network which our server is using to this client machine. So I'm going to go inside control panel. I'm going to go inside network and internet configurations, and I'm going to select the network and sharing center, the first option. Just a minute. Yeah, sorry for that. Network and sharing center. And I'm going to select change adapter settings. I'm going to right click it, and I'm going to select properties. Uh, and I'm going to select or double click internet protocol IPv4. Select use the following IP address, or leave it that way, just use the following DNS server address. We are going to place our server's DNS address here. The upper part we are not configuring it because I actually forgot we have DHCP service enabled in our server. So we restarted the server several times after that video. So the service may be deactivated, but don't worry, we are going to just restart it again. So I'm placing the DNS address of the server here, which is the server's actual address. So okay, we have pointed this computer towards the DNS pool or the DNS circle of our server. Now you have to go inside about your PC settings, and here we have to type in, or you can see it here as well, advanced system settings. You can type in or you can see it here. So computer name, and we are going to change the computer name. You can see the option there down, change. And this PC or this computer or this client is going to be in a domain. You remember the domain we configured in the server in the previous video, ourlab.learn. So let me go in the server and let me just restart the DHCP service. So I've opened the server here. I am inside the DHCP server manager. You can see my server here. So I right click it and I restarted it, refreshed it, and I can see that IPv4 is activated again. The green check mark, it means that it is activated. So once I have verified that the DHCP is activated and working, I'm going to go back inside my client, and you see I'm going to ipconfig to verify. I still haven't received the IP address because I have to restart the client again. Uh, the systems are very picky, but uh, no issues. I'm just going to restart it. I'm going to skip the restart part. Takes ages. So I restarted the system. I'm going back into the same path, advanced system settings, computer name, change, and domain. And here I'm going to put the domain ourlab.learn. So if the system discovered or founded or discovered that domain, it's going to ask the administrator name and password of the Windows server, not the computer. I'm telling you again, of the Windows server. So or an account which has permission, it can be the username as well, but usually we use the administrator passwords to handle this type of operations. So okay, as you saw that it successfully discovered the domain. Welcome to ourlab.learn. Now I'm just going to restart the system one more time. I'm just going to skip that restart time. And once the restart is done, we are officially, you can see the option of other user appeared. And I'm going to use the J Doe, if you remember John Doe user we created. So J Doe, and the password was admin1234 hashtag. And I can see that it recognized John Doe in our domain successfully, and I am logging in as John Doe. So I I'm in the server, and I'm going to see the file path of the finance folder because I don't remember it. You can see it here, network path / Windows _ lab / finance. This is the path of this shared folder on the network. You can see the network path. The title also says it. So I'm back in the client, and I'm going to press Windows R, and here I'm going to like type in / Windows _ lab, and let me see it one more time. So yeah, / it's actually capital. Sorry for that. Windows under it's not dash, it's _ lab. What was it? Yeah, that's why I said take notes. Anyways, / finance. Oh, it discovered itself, finance. Okay. And as you can see, I accessed the shared folder inside my user from the client. So thank you for watching the video, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.